Today is National Blueberry Pancake Day, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the best blueberry pancakes. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 cup of blueberries, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 1/4 cups of buttermilk, 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 eggs. Using your electric mixer, beat the eggs on medium until they become frothy. Now add all of the other ingredients except for the blueberries in and stir until they're combined, but do not overmix this step. Now pour 1/3 cup of the batter on a griddle set to medium-high heat and top with the blueberries. Cook the pancakes for 2 minutes or until they're golden brown, and then flip over and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until the other side is golden brown. Place the pancakes on a baking sheet that's in an oven that's been preheated to 200 degrees to keep them warm while you're cooking the rest of the pancakes. Now you can stop right here and eat these with maple syrup and they'll be great, but I'm going to show you how to make blueberry syrup and make these the best pancakes you've ever had. To make this syrup, you're going to need 3 cups of blueberries, 1 cup of water, a half a cup of sugar, 1½ tablespoons of cornstarch that's been dissolved into 3 tablespoons of water, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a small saucepan, add 1½ cups of blueberries, the water, vanilla extract, and sugar together and cook on medium-high heat until it starts to boil. After it starts to boil, add the cornstarch to the mixture, lower the heat, and continue to cook for 2 to 3 minutes until you get the desired consistency of the syrup that you want. Now remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in the rest of the blueberries. Now you can top the blueberry pancakes with the blueberry syrup. Every day should be National Blueberry Pancake Day. These are so good. If you do try to make these, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.